These are your poppets right now, right?
Yes.
Oh, there's a doggy. We're about to do hide and seek to find new poppets.
Yeah!
I guess she's not ready for this.
And you have to watch till the end to find out.
Yes. Nobody knows that I actually paint my beard on.
It's poppet time! It's poppet.
Is it poppet or
Go!
Jeez! YouTube, what is up, guys? We are...
Dad!
Yes, my name is Andy and this is my son.
Hi, Daddy!
And we do toy videos. And today we are featuring the new fidget toy.
Poppets, and these are my poppets.
These are your poppets. You bought these with your own money that you saved up from your Christmas or birthday or one of those. And we're just gonna show you them. But we also have an exciting game of hide and seek where you get to find some new poppets.
Oh, I love poppets.
Ryden did not know this was happening today. So
wait, if I find them less than a second, do I get to keep it?
if you pass the hide and seek test, you get to keep one of them. And then the other two will donate with a handful of other poppets that I've purchased. So these are poppets. I think fidget spinners are cooler.
Do
you like these better than fidget
yes,
spinners?
Yes, way better.
What? That's a big statement. So Ryden, tell them what you do.
So what you do is you pop all these bubbles to the other side.
Which, that doesn't feel that cool, like the first time you do it.
But you can get the popsicle, which is both double-sided, which is amazing. But the other side, when you pop it back, is really cool.
Yes, so when you put all of these bubbles in, are they called bubbles?
They're called poppets.
Poppets, all these poppets to the other side, which is actually kind of hard. Like a lot of times, like by the time I see one just pop back.
Yeah, but
oh, another one did. I got it on film. Then you get, yeah, but to get them all on this side.
It's super easy, barely an inconvenience.
Oh, you're a poppet pro, aren't you? And I'm just saying, like, it's like sometimes they bounce back, like you just saw. So now that they're all on this side, ride and pop them. It sounds like a bubble popping.
It's so cool.
And that's what you do. You just fidget with it, and they come in all sorts of shapes and colors. This is a heart. This was like a 3-pack that Ryden got.
Yeah.
This is a circle. This is a smiley face.
It's a square.
Oh, it's a square, yes. But now it's hide and seek time for some new ones.
They have cactuses, which my friend has.
There's a cactus poppet? That's pretty cool.
It is sparkle.
Are you ready to find some new poppets?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so I just hid all of them, and I'm gonna tell you where I hid them so you know when Ryden is searching where these new poppets are. One is in there. Another one is under this. And last one is right here. You can see it's sticking out a little bit. I'm gonna be honest, I think these could be hard spots, but they could be easy. I don't know. Let's see if Ryden finds these poppets. Is your dog gonna find it with you?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. You have 3 minutes, okay? I will do hot and cold during the last minute. And if you find them all within 3 minutes, Phoenix is gone.
Yes.
If you find them all within 3 minutes, you get to keep one. And of course, we're gonna donate the other 2. Are you excited?
Yeah.
What was that?
I was trying not to look a pig.
Okay.
That's so annoying.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, pop it, hide and seek. Oh, don't kick it.
Sorry.
Okay.
Wait, is it in the bathroom?
Are you kidding me? It's a unicorn. Okay. Why did you already find one?
I don't know, because I'm smart.
It's been 16 seconds. Don't destroy the castle fort.
It's already destroyed. It looks like that.
It honestly is kind of broken already. Are you cooking something?
A car.
A car? Well, put it in there. Put it in there. Oh, you're cooking a car. Okay. Oh, hi, Phoenix. You're here to help. Okay, it's not going to be that far in anything.
Okay. Thank you. A Phoenix.
Okay, you have 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Phoenix is like, hey, can I help? It's not, look what you just did. It's not gonna be back there either. You're closing me in. You are below 2 minutes now, my friend.
Oh, that's hard.
Is it in the barn?
No.
Nope, not in the barn.
Can it be up there?
You can reach it. You don't have to like climb on anything. Okay, you don't, what are you standing on that for? You got 1 minute and 20 seconds left.
It's very scary. What? Look, am I just staring at it here?
I'm not saying anything, but in 10 seconds you get hot and cold. You're searching. Did you hit your head? Okay, don't destroy the whole playroom. You are hot.
I knew it.
You're hotter. What is happening with this? Okay, now you're really hot. A little colder. A little colder. Hot. Hotter. Oh my gosh. Nope, colder. You're so cold right now.
Is it?
Super hot. Oh my gosh, there you go. Go. Pretty hot. No, cold. Warm, hot. Nope. Cold. You're cold now. Hot. Hotter, burning up.
Yeah! Whoa, this is awesome!
It's a guitar, isn't it? Oh, and you did it with seconds to spare. Good job.
Yay!
Give me the rock.
I set your timer to that a long time ago.
I cannot believe you didn't find the second one faster. You were literally, there's a point where you were like walking next to it, and it's right here in front of your face, and you're just like...
It's the Grogu one, which I wanted the most.
All right, let's show what we got, okay?
Which one would you pick, the guitar?
I really like the unicorn, but I think guitar's probably cooler.
I really like the unicorn because it's just straight color.
Okay, so let's open these out. Well, you get to open them all because you are very passionate about Poppets. I'll get them ready for you.
It's a passion project of mine.
Is it? It
has unicorns inside of them.
No way.
It's still going off.
Wait, there's unicorns
inside of
it. Is. This is like a high quality Poppet. So I'm gonna get a cell phone shot of this so you guys can see this.
Oh. It's easy on both sides. It's easy on both sides.
It's a double-sided one?
Yes.
Well, hi, Phoenix. How you doing? Look at the unicorns. They're on there.
I didn't know I was getting like nice Poppets. This one's pretty good too. I feel like these are way better than the ones you got. So let's see it. You pop them all.
Do this one. Do this one.
All right. I've got this one ready to super pop.
Is it hard on that side?
Do it. Do it up here.
It's kind of hard to do it without a circle.
You want me to hold it? Oh, that fidgety poppy goodness.
Fidgety poppy goodness.
I like the umbrella. I was about to call this thing an umbrella. I like this one better.
This one has music notes inside of it.
Really? We got another high quality one. Oh, yeah, that's really cool.
Can I trade mine for it?
Trading is a big thing, right?
Yeah.
Everyone trades these?
What? That's amazing.
Okay, the guitar is super cool. All the music notes. That is very, very awesome.
You
That
play
sounds like I'm playing a song. Really hard to do. I like a fidget spinner better. All right, so your final thing of these three, since you won the hide and seek, which one are you taking?
I have a question.
What's up?
Can I take one to trade two and for the rest?
You can take one and trade all three of yours for the other two.
Okay.
But I am going to totally get some more of these really cool ones and donate too, because that's what we do here on Turbo Toy Time.
These are high quality.
High quality.
High quality. James Ford, high quality. I'm gonna choose
So which one do you pick to win?
this one, the baby. Yeah, Grogu.
Baby Not Yoda, Grogu. And then you're gonna trade your existing three for these two.
These are really high quality and they're really cool. Honestly.
These are your OGs though, dude. Why don't you just you have some birthday money left, why don't you just buy these and then I will buy more, I will donate more.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
That's what you do if you want something. You are going to roll your sleeves up and do some work for it and get it done. In this case, it was birthday money, but
How do I roll my sleeves up?
birthday money doesn't last forever. Do it.
The guitar's double-sided.
That's what I'm saying, like
Oh, they're all double-sided.
I don't understand what's double-sided and what's not. I just know that these two feel firmer, which is a more satisfying fidget thing. Okay, but a trade has went down, a hide-and-seek game happened, and that was a lot of fun, dude. Did you have fun doing this?
Yes.
I wish we could do some sort of playtime with these. It's just like, they're cool to fidget with, but there's not much more like the fidget spinner war. We had like this whole game, but there's not much you can do with these.
I'm a unicorn playing the guitar.
All right. That was a different type of Turbo Toy Time, but fear not, we have more games and toys on the way. If you guys like this, what do they do, Red?
Hit the subscribe button right down below.
Yes, it's free and easy. It just signs you up to see more. Of the fidgety toys, they're cool. I think it's really exciting that they come in different shapes and sizes. I like, as far as like a feel to a fidget toy, I like feeling it spin, or like a heavy, like there's a weight to the fidget spinners. I wish these were almost like, some of them are better,
Yeah.
Some of them are more satisfying as a fidget, but they're very cool and very creative, and you can find these pretty much anywhere right now. What?
I want to create merch, but not my t-shirts. Those.
You want your own Turbo Toy Time poppets?
It would spell dude.
That'd be cool. Yeah, dude poppets. But that's it. Like we said, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. But the most important thing about this video is...
You have a great day right now.
Yes, if it's nice outside...
Go outside and play.
If it's not, do something...
creative inside.
Like hide your things and make your brother or sister find them.
And you want to see something cool?
You're going to throw them up in the air? Where'd he go? Peace out, guys. Pop it, peace.
Poppity pop 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 out.
Boom.